Buongiorno paisani. So I'm doing my olives. This is how my aunt showed me how to do it about 17 years ago, and I do them like this every year and they come out good. So you buy your olives. I bought these at Intermarché. They're nice and big. I got this rock. Don't ask me where. I got a rock. So I do it the old-fashioned way. One hit, that's it. I do it the old-fashioned way. Yes, there's gadgets to break the olives. Yes, there's little whatevers. I do it like this. I like it better. So once you break all your olives like this, you're supposed to hit it once or twice. Once you do that, you sterilize your jars. You fill up your jar with the olives. I'm gonna do this quickly so you guys see what's going on. It takes me about half an hour to do all this. So you take all this, you fill up your jar. And once your jar is full, don't overfill because it's gonna make bubbles and it's gonna cure inside. So don't make it too full. I'll take out a couple of olives because it needs space to. Okay. Then we add water. I need the garlic. We add water all the way to cover the olives. So you add water, room temperature water, doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be hot or cold. So now my bottle's full. You fill it up to the neck about. Then you add 1 head of garlic. And I like to break it so that it spreads everywhere. Then I use my little trusted, this is a cap of a mousse bottle. This is how my aunt measured it. So you put a cap full of salt. Put that in there. And of course, fresh oregano. Fresh oregano leaves. So you take one of these, take a little branch. Let me take them all out. You take a little branch of oregano for flavor. And this helps it give it flavor when you open it. It takes out the acidity. So you take a branch of oregano and you put it in there. Then you put your cap. Whoops. You put your cap. You seal it tight. And there you have it. And you let it sit like this for a month. In a month, you flip it over so that the salt distributes evenly everywhere. A month after, you put it back straight. And within 3 months, you'll be able to taste and eat your olives. So that's my Big Mama Siciliana way of making Sicilian olives. Try it out. Let me know how they come out. Salutamu. Okay, so I finished my olives. It didn't take me very long to do it. Now, everyone's asking me questions. The olives are fresh. They're not cured. They cure in the bottle. That's why you have to leave some space in the bottle so that your cap doesn't pop out when it's curing because it's going to make bubbles and all that. The acidity of the olives is going to come out. Now, in 3 to 4 months, you can start eating them. But the way to serve them is in 3 to 4 months, you're going to open up your jar. You're going to drain out the water or you're going to pull them out of the water, out of the jar into a bowl. And this is where you add your olive oil and your garlic to serve them. Obviously, you're not going to eat them out of the jar like that. You have to season them once you're ready to eat them. This is the easiest way to make olives. They come out tasty. They're not sour. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy them because I have always gotten compliments every time I made my olives and served them to my guests. So try it out and let me know how they come out. Salutamu.